going to show you how you can turn an image from Notion into an advanced Pinterest post. And what do I mean by advanced? By advanced, I mean we won't just post an image from Notion to Pinterest, but we will also use this image in a template before posting it. So this is what the term advanced means. So let me just show you what we're gonna do. We're having a simple Notion database with 3 columns. One is in progress, one is ready for post, and one is done. And each of the properties is just a post to social media, to Pinterest. This is the title and this is the image. As you can see, it's quite a simple image, nothing too fancy. And we can see this image, we did not post it to Pinterest yet. If we now click on run once, with the automation, we can see things are happening. What is happening exactly? So first of all, it watches database items in Notion. Then it transfers those items to Google Slide, where it uploads an image to a presentation. So the image we just saw in the Notion database is used in this presentation. Then we download this presentation to Google Drive as PDF. Then Cloud Convert turns this PDF into a PNG because here you can't post PDFs to Pinterest. And then in the end, Pinterest creates a pin based on this PNG. What happened, which is what's just happening. So if we now go back to Pinterest and we click refresh, we should now see a nice post. And after it loaded, the post should be there. And voila, this is the post. You might wondering, well, the picture in the Notion database was only the Finadoni logo, there was nothing around it. Yeah, exactly. That's what we're doing with the template in Google Presentations. So let's get started. If you set up this automation, you first need to use the watch database items module from Notion, where you just connect Notion, you connect the database using and also the limit. So the limit is the amount of output you're accepting. Then you're going to add a filter. The filter is quite important because it makes sure that this automation only uses properties which have the ready for post status. So by status, I mean which are in the column ready for post, because we do not want to post those which are in progress and we do not want to post the ones which are done. So yeah, this is quite important. Then next, it will upload an image to a presentation. So why exactly are we doing it with Google Presentations? The thing is, Google Presentations is for free. So you can just create a template in Google Presentations and then you can replace the picture. So this picture, this little picture, and with the picture you have in your database, and then export this to Cloud Convert and then to pin it to Pinterest. So yeah, what you can see here is that the values are image object ID, that the image number 2 in page 1, this is page 1 and this is image number 2, will be replaced by the asset image URL which comes from Notion. And that's it. It's also important, you can choose how you prefer it. In our case, we just use send inside. The next step is we are downloading this file to Google Drive. Again, we're just using the presentations ID. So if you click here, you can see the presentations ID, and you can just use this one because you want to download the presentation we just created. Then you need to create a free account with Cloud Convert. So just Google Cloud Convert. Because this download is a PDF and we can't upload a PDF to Pinterest. So what Cloud Convert is doing, it turns this PDF into a PNG. So the input file is upload a file. It takes this Google Drive download a file we just created, and I just click, I don't know the input format, but it's a PDF. I was just lazy to change it. And as the output format, we want a PNG. And the file name comes from Notion because we just want, the name of the property to be the name of this file. And that's it. And then the final part is we want Pinterest to take this picture So it's an image, it's quite important. So you're posting an image here, and image URL, using this image URL, and you're getting from Cloud Convert, and then you choose the board you want to post it to. You could choose a board section as title. Again, take the title from Notion. You could add a description, you could add a link. I just left those blank, and that's it. So yeah, this is a way how you can turn a simple picture, add it to a template, use it in a template, and post it to Pinterest right away. I hope this video helped you to give you an idea how you can set this one up on yourself. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.